how to try Photoshop and the new Generative Fill tool for free. First you go to this link that you'll have in the description and you click on free trial. Here you can see that you can get 7-day free trial and then $21 per month. Or if you have a business, you can go to Teams and then you can get 14-day free trial. But for this tutorial, I will choose individuals and I will go to continue. Here we click on no thanks. We type our email address. Here you can choose from credit or debit card or PayPal. But on the right side, you can see that due now there is nothing to pay. So you have nothing to worry if you add your card details, if you don't forget to cancel your free trial in the last day. Another option is to use a virtual card, which I'm using in this case. So I have nothing to worry. I just add my card and then cancel it. In this way, Adobe cannot take the money out of my account. So choose credit or debit card, add your card details and just agree and subscribe. And then my free trial has started successfully. So I can create my password. And then Adobe automatically downloads the Photoshop, but it's not the version that we need for a Generative Fill. So we open a new tab. You go to adobe.com, you click on your profile image and then view account. Here you go here to access your apps and services. And from here you look for Creative Cloud and then download the app. Once installed, you just open the Creative Cloud app. You go to the left side in the menu. You choose beta apps and in this list you're looking for Photoshop beta and then just click install. After a few minutes Photoshop is installed and we can click on open and now we have Photoshop with Generative Fill installed. For example, we can add some mountains in this image and there you go, we have mountains in the image. This is the first option, second option and third option. So click the link in the description, download Photoshop and use Generative Fill however you want. If you are looking for a free alternative to Generative Fill, you must watch this video next where I'm talking exactly about that.